Hello everyone, welcome to this video about JSON columns in MySQL. So what is JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. This lightweight format is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. So why do we use JSON? Well, this optimized storage format allows for quick read access to document elements, which enables the server to look up values directly by key or array index without having to read all of the other values in the document. This makes the JSON data type incredibly efficient. To demonstrate the usefulness of JSON columns in MySQL, we consider an electronics store. The store sells many different products, each with many different attributes. To store the products in their database, the company could have one product table with every possible attribute as a column. However, this would generate many null values. They could also make a new table for every product. However, a table would be needed for each unique attribute set, resulting in many different tables in the database. This solution may make it difficult to manage products since each product will be in a separate table. Instead, the company may find JSON columns useful. JSON columns allow multiple attributes to be stored in a single MySQL column. So the company could have a single product table with a JSON column that stores whatever attributes each particular product has. Another time you might want to use JSON columns in MySQL is when you are storing user data, such as email addresses or phone numbers, since you may have multiple entries for each user. You could create a new column for each email address or phone number. However, this could lead to many null values and would force you to modify the table if another email or phone number column is needed in the future. This raises further problems of users requiring adequate permissions to modify the table, which the person entering data may not and most likely should not have. Instead of these solutions, it may be useful to use JSON columns in situations where you are storing user data, like email addresses or phone numbers, where you will not know how many entries you may have for any given user. JSON columns would allow you to store as many pieces of user data in one column as needed. JSON columns in MySQL have many advantages to extend the flexibility of MySQL databases. JSON columns are fast, flexible, understandable, and efficient. I hope you enjoyed this video on JSON columns in MySQL. Thanks for watching.